Today, we're going to learn how to draw a jellyfish. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. Start with a big circle on our page. From there, draw a squiggly line along the bottom of our circle. Then, we're going to add in tentacles by marking in long, wavy lines going downwards. You can make the lines arch to one side so that the jellyfish looks like it's moving forward. This is all that we need for our sketch layer. We can now take our pen for the outlines and finer details. Begin with marking over our squiggly line. Then, from each corner, join them up with our circle. This is so we can connect our sketch layers together. Now we're going to attach the tentacles. All you need to do is draw along our sketched line and loop back up to the head. Repeat this for the rest of the tentacles, making sure that when you loop back up, the waves face the same direction as the opposite side. This is our basic sketch, so it's time to add the final touches. On the head of the jellyfish, we're going to add in some spots. Mark some splotches inside the head. In the background, we're going to add in some fish, just to set the scene. Around the jellyfish, add in some bubbles. Finally, along the tentacles, mark random lines across. Now that's how you draw a jellyfish. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes.